Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Ranger mirror step by step. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid power mirror motion. Use a trim tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel cover and set clips aside. Keep screws organized and protect painted surfaces with a towel so reassembly is clean and painless. Start by removing the triangular mirror bezel with a plastic trim tool, taking care not to scratch paint or upholstery. Next, remove all visible screws holding the door panel, placing each fastener in a tray or container for safekeeping. Lift the panel upward to release the retaining clips and gently pull the panel away to reveal the mirror electrical connector and mounting studs behind the sheet metal. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more quick vehicle DIYs and tips. Quick recommendation: I keep bento box leak-proof containers in the truck for tidy garage lunches. They make cleanup simple. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you like convenience while you work. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the panel removed, locate the mirror electrical connector and press its locking tab to unplug it, then keep the wiring clear. Support the exterior mirror with one hand to prevent dropping and use a socket to remove the 3 mounting nuts that secure the mirror to the door. Once nuts are removed, carefully lower the mirror from the door opening and place it on a protected towel to avoid damage to glass and paint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.